The 1982-2000 Detroit Dieselgate engine is a popular diesel engine produced by Detroit Diesel Corporation, a subsidiary of General Motors. This engine was designed to provide reliable and efficient power for heavy-duty vehicles, such as trucks and buses. The Detroit Dieselgate engine was available in several configurations, including inline, 6 and Vate models with displacements ranging from 7.0 to 8.5 liters. The engines were equipped with high-pressure fuel injection systems and electronic control modules, which allowed for precise control of fuel delivery and improved engine performance. One of the key features of the 1982-2000 Detroit Dieselgate engine was its durability. These engines were built to withstand the demands of heavy-duty applications and were known for their longevity and low maintenance costs. The engine blocks were cast from high-strength iron and were designed to resist cracking and warping under high loads. The crankshafts and connecting rods were made from forged steel for added strength and durability. The Detroit Dieselgate engines also featured high-performance turbochargers, which provided increased power and efficiency. The turbochargers were designed to reduce turbo lag, allowing the engine to produce maximum power at low RPMs. The engines were also equipped with air-to-air intercoolers, which helped to improve air intake efficiency and increase horsepower. Another important feature of the 1982-2000 Detroit Dieselgate engine was its electronic control system. The engines were equipped with electronic control modules that monitored engine performance and provided real-time data on fuel consumption, exhaust emissions, and engine performance. This allowed the engine to operate at maximum efficiency and reduce the need for manual adjustments. Overall, the 1982-2000 Detroit Dieselgate engine was a reliable and efficient diesel engine that was widely used in heavy-duty vehicles. The engine's durability and high performance made it a popular choice among truck and bus operators, and it remains a highly regarded engine to this day. If you are looking for a diesel engine that offers reliable performance and low maintenance costs, the Detroit Dieselgate engine is definitely worth considering.